Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set a custom ringtone and notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Let's get started. To begin, go to Settings. Scroll down until you find the Sounds and Vibrations section. Once you get it, tap on it. To change your ringtone, tap Ringtone. If you have two SIM cards, choose the one you want to personalize from this top menu. You will see a list of preloaded ringtones. Tapping on any sound will play the preview. Select the one you like. To use your custom music file, such as an MP3 song, tap the plus sign. Now you can choose any audio file from your phone. Just find the song you want and tap Done. That's it. You have successfully changed the ringtone on your Galaxy A17. To change the notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy phone, go back to Sounds and Vibration page. And this time, select Notification Sound. Again, choose your SIM card. You can pick a sound from these preloaded sounds. To add your own MP3 as your notification sound, open the Files app. You can locate it by going to the app library and then go inside Samsung folder. This is the one. Tap on it. Now browse to the folder where you have your music file. In my case, it is there in the audio files. Select the file by long pressing on it. You will get this check mark to confirm it is selected. Next, tap Copy. You will get a pop-up. Tap on Internal Storage. Choose Notifications folder. Next, tap Copy here. Now, to set this custom notification sound as default tone, go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration. Choose Notification Sound and then desired SIM card. Your custom tone will be listed here. Select it. That's it. But what if you want a unique ringtone for a specific contact? Easy. Open your Contacts app and select the contact. Tap the three dots in the corner. Then change ringtone or vibration. Please note, this option will not be available if contact is saved on the SIM card. Select the tone from the available sounds or add your own MP3. That's it for this video on how to personalize your Samsung Galaxy A17 with custom ringtones and notification sounds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials.